You know, one mistake that we all make while trying to lose weight is not educating ourselves enough about food. We tend to follow Instagram recipes, we tend to follow celebrity diet, we tend to follow whatever is trending, and we still do not lose weight. And in the process, we lose our motivation and we give up. And that's something that even I did. From starving myself to following a keto diet to following celebrity diets, I did it all, and I realized it is so important to know what foods you're eating. So in today's video, I am going to give you guys top 10 fat burning foods. So if you include these food items in your daily diet, in your recipes, in your salads, in your tadka, it's just going to help you lose and burn your fat overall. So let's start the video. So the first food item that must be included in your diet is green tea. Green tea is so underrated. It contains caffeine. It helps to boost your metabolism. So if you have green tea when you wake up in the morning, and if you have green tea before sleeping, matlab after you're done with your breakfast, lunch, mid-evening snacks, dinner, and then you end your day with a hot cup of green tea, it's going to melt your belly fat. Now it does contain caffeine. So in case if you have difficulty sleeping, don't have it before sleeping at night. But trust me guys, 1 month of having green tea without sugar, without milk, and make it a habit, it's going to change your life. Now, number two is a chili. It's not green chili, it's not red chili. It's called cayenne pepper. I'm going to put a picture right here. So it looks like a fatter version of red chili, but ये इतना तीखा नहीं होता है. It's not very spicy. Now this will burn your fat. This will directly burn your belly fat. It will boost your metabolism. So if you include it in your tadkas, if you include it in your salad, and you just replace your normal chilies with cayenne pepper, this is going to be a game changer. On number three, I have my favorite. This is included in my diet every day, and that is lemon. Now, lemon detoxifies your liver. You know, that is why when people are hungover or if they drink a lot, the next morning everyone's like, nimbu pani pilo, because it literally detoxifies your liver. It will boost your metabolism in case you have digestion issues, that you have bloating, gas, acidity. This is going to help with that. So if you guys are having green tea, just squeeze a little bit of lemon. If you're having your dal, just squeeze a little bit of lemon. When you wake up in the morning, you can have your water with lemon, or if you're having your salads, just squeeze lemon, and trust me, this is going to help you guys a lot. On number four, I have a spice. Now, this is called cinnamon. I think it is called dalchini in Hindi, but please don't kill me. So, this helps regulate your blood sugar levels. It reduces the insulin spike. So, cinnamon is something that I mostly include in my drinks. Tadke mein to you use dalchini, but if I'm having like warm water, lemon, I'll just put a little bit of cinnamon powder. In case if you're having tea, green tea, you can add cinnamon powder. Even if you're having your milk tea, just add cinnamon, and just see, this is going to help burn your fat. This is going to increase your metabolism. On number five, are we on number five? On number five, I have for you guys ginger. Now, ginger is magical. Even in Ayurveda, ginger is mentioned a lot. If you might have seen your ancestors just chewing on ginger like that. As a kacha ginger le lo and just keep chewing, because it helps with digestion. It helps to burn your fat, and it reduces inflammation. Inflammation is such a common cause. Sometimes we feel we are bloated, or weight nahi ja raha, or we've gained weight, but our body is just inflamed. So ginger helps with inflammation. You can add it in your green tea. You can just make achar at home. Just put lemon, ginger, vinegar, a little bit of salt, and include it in your diet every day. Or just cut a little bit of ginger, put it in water, and have it. So that's really going to help you guys. So ginger is again something that must be included in your diet. Now, next one is something that Google says, like there are not many reports suggesting that it helps, but I've literally seen my brother have it for 1 year. I mean, usko bas aadat hai, and he has it, and I've seen his fat like reduce by just having this, and it is apple cider vinegar. Like, when you wake up in the morning, just have a shot with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water, and it literally reduces the stored fats in your body. Also, you feel less hungry after having apple cider vinegar. So this is something that you might not get a lot of information, but you see a lot of people having it, and I have seen someone take it in my house in front of me. Now, I don't like the taste, so I don't have apple cider vinegar, but this is something that really helps. Now, the next thing is something our parents, our grandparents have been telling us to have, but we always are like, no, no, I can't have it. I'm gonna gain weight. Oh my god, no ghee in my diet. But you guys, Ayurveda ho gaya, grandparents ho gaye, parents ho gaye, everyone emphasizes on ghee. And if you see our grandparents, you see our ancestors, I mean their bones, their structure, they were so strong, they would fall ill less, they would keep working, they would keep working, and they were just strong physically because they would include a lot of ghee in their diet. With our generation, there are so many modern diets and there are so many things that we want to have, like oat muffins, and we want to go out to healthy cafes, but we will not have a ghee. Ghee is something that I've personally had, and I just feel like the fat just slides out of your body. Like when I used to wake up in the morning, I would have ghee in my coffee, and you guys, great with digestion, you will not have bloating. It is also called as clarified butter, so don't have butter, but in your roti, in your dal, make sure that you have ghee. 1 tablespoon of ghee, it's great for your skin, it's great for your hair, it's great in burning fat. Your skin will literally start shining, and you will feel healthy, and you will feel more energetic. So please, when your mom is making food and she includes ghee in it, please just don't be like, oh, I don't want to have ghee, it's fattening. It is not, it is literally magical. Now, the second last food item is something that is included in my diet every day, be it I don't know koi bhi season ho, but this is something that I have, and that is Greek yogurt. Not normal yogurt, but Greek yogurt. So how do you make Greek yogurt at home? It's extremely simple. You take your yogurt, you put it in a channi, let it sit for 10-15 minutes. जो excess water हो जाएगा उसको फेंक दो. What is left on top, the creamy, the thick yogurt, is the Greek yogurt. So all the fat has gone. Greek yogurt, you guys, high in proteins, prebiotic, really helps to burn fat, keeps your stomach cool, will keep you full for a longer period of time. So take your Greek yogurt, add in all your fruits, add in peanut butter, protein shake. If you want to just make a raita out of it and make sure that you include it in your diet, it will help in digestion. Your gut health will be so strong because it soothes your stomach. Sometimes we eat so many things that are unhealthy and we feel like something is burning inside, and that also causes acidity. So make sure that to soothe your stomach, include yogurt in your diet, and you just see the difference. Now, lastly, I want to talk about oats. Okay, not the oats that you get in like the packet, not the flavored one, the strawberry, chocolate, banana, wo wale oats nahi. Regular oats which you make at home, they are very rich in soluble fibers, includes your digestion, it keeps you full for a longer period of time. So if you want to include oats in your diet, it's great. You can make oats ka dosa, you can just wake up in the morning and have oats with dry fruits. So this is also going to help you, and it will start your day in a correct form. So you guys, these are the foods that I include in my diet. Chahe salad ho, chahe sabji ho, I make sure that I include these foods. There are more foods like eggs, avocados, but these are the food items that you must include. So on days when you don't know कि आज क्या खाऊं and you don't understand diet, so make sure that you include a green tea, you include a dish of Greek yogurt. You wake up in the morning and you have oats. If you're making your sabji, include cayenne pepper. If you're having roti, put a tablespoon of ghee. So all of these things are really going to help you all. So I really hope that you guys like this video. I am on a weight loss journey, and I know even you guys are trying to lose weight. So I just want to make sure that I cover every topic. Like मैं हर एक topic पे video बना दूँ ताकि one video might just help one person, but my job here is done. So let me know in the comments how you like the video, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.